of what followed. He loved the church, he loved the schools, he gave out generously, he mentored so many people. And my God, it's too much, I can't go through all that. He loved all the opposition members and listened to them, and even advised where they were wrong. Movementists, he was always with them up to today. In other words, he was looking at the welfare objectives, not the route you are taking. He puked when you brought religious sectarianism. He really puked on religious sectarianism. He would call me, you were a Chisto or you. When you never Chisto, to one of them. Then he would say, now I go to Paru. I mean, he didn't want anything to do with the identity. The elephant in the room was poverty and underdevelopment. So his interest was recruiting that people. You man, if you stay on, could tell me, if you stay in opposition, things can be so bad when it comes to development. So I found him with Keith all the time, and the language was development. I think the calls were very many. He wanted the money from the government to help government people. Not himself. He said if it was for government family, we have enough. But how can you walk in the public saying you are having enough surrounded by people who are gnashing teeth? Help them. Like Mother Teresa said, if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. I see some people hurting them. That is Garuga. Let me stop. Because it's too much. So the man lying here, this guy here, you see, he was the liar. When he still had the chest, like that one of Johnny, he would talk to you, he would approach you, repeat what he has told you. If you wouldn't understand, we shall he would punch you, and now since we now start coming in, Obama is say, as we go to would say. So, my brother, my mentor, my friend, my many things. May your soul rest in peace, and may the good Lord spread the big wings over his core family and the greater Kigezi and the Ugandan family. James, bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Francis Runumi. Parashonio Mchikowaska. Abuko lumento alisema kugambia kanungu hata ni mkanisa.
The small one, the right honorable Deputy Prime Speaker Thomas Kayewa is in the line and has sent me a message that he's doing everything possible to be with us in Kanungu. Thank you. Apologies to the family.
I appreciate him once again. I saw all the Wachika were happy to listen to the true language that James used. Let me invite the choir. I believe now you're prepared to sing as we prepare to receive the message about James from Dr. Peace. stand up to stretch our legs. We have to stand for a moment.